This is the #1 favorite topping from my shops. Fluffy, mousse-like, and light. Gelato Shop whipped cream elevates any cup or cone and makes the perfect pairing with gelato. It's incredibly simple to make and will quickly become your go-to whipped cream recipe. And with pie season right around the corner, it's a fast one too. You only need 4 ingredients: heavy cream, vanilla extract, any kind works, though I prefer clear vanilla here, powdered sugar, and just a touch of vanilla pudding mix, the secret ingredient. I'll show you exactly how easy it is. For the full recipe and blog post, check the description below. Let's get started. Add the cream to a mixer fitted with the whisk attachment and begin mixing on low, gradually increasing to medium-high. Once the cream begins to thicken, add the powdered sugar, vanilla pudding mix, and vanilla extract. Continue whisking slowly to incorporate these ingredients, then bring it back up to medium-high speed, whipping until medium peaks form. Be careful not to over-whip. Use this whipped cream right away or store it covered in your refrigerator for up to 3 days. This recipe is quick, easy, and endlessly useful. And remember, you can adjust the powdered sugar to suit your preferred sweetness. The texture will still be unparalleled. Once you try this recipe, you'll see why it's a favorite. It's the perfect panna or whipped cream topping for any dessert and is equally delicious on its own. I hope you enjoy it. No spreadsheets, no complicated calculations, just real Italian gelato made easy. For more gelato tips, recipes, and tutorials, check out the other videos on my channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Want to learn more? Visit my website for free and premium resources, full recipes, gelato FAQs, and expert support. Thanks for watching.
For the love of gelato!